Hi students, today we are going to discuss about DT video on Python programming. Okay, can we have empathy on it? How does you need a programming?
It should be understandable and easier.
It should be understandable easy. Next.
It should be flexible to everyone.
It should be flexible to everyone. Next.
The code one need to accept everyone.
The code should be easy to accept everyone. Next.
Also easy to understand the codes.
Also easy to understand.
It should be easy to implement in areas like developing an application like that.
That is additional trending languages or trending software. It should be accepted.
We are able to easily update the codes.
Update the codes.
Code reusability should be.
Code issue should be reduced. Okay, in that case, we will have defined. We are going to have a programming language that must be used. It should be flexible to everyone. It should have numerous number of predefined functions. It should be usable by everyone, and it should be easily understandable, and it should be easier and it's flexible to those who are studying and those who are going to implement, and it should accept higher level programming concept. Okay, then what is after that defined? Explaining about your ideal. In this ideal, we are going to see about a term called Python programming. Can you say what is mean Python programming?
So it is object-oriented programming, so that we can easy to implement it on any applications.
That is, it is updation of object-oriented programming C++, and it is upgradation of the term called Java programming. This we have called Python programming. Can you see what is the advantages using Python programming?
It has numerous number of predefined functions.
It is a numerous number of built-in functions. Okay.
Which can be put lower amount of code is enough.
Low amount of code is very enough.
It will be easy to understand because the syntax is moreover like an English reading and English. So
Okay.
the syntax will be easier to understand.
That is from your point. What I am saying is that it is easier to understandable. It is syntax is very easy, so that it can be easily understandable to the lower person itself. More it can be easily implemented also. By using predefined function, what and all we can able to implement.
So we can implement a lot of libraries in Python.
That is using numerous by using what levels what we can do.
We can take data from.
We can reduce the size of
the code.
We can reduce the size of nodes. Then the thing is that we can able to implement numerous number of future trends, or you are going to future points. Or for example, when we are able to implement AI concept, we can able to implement using the Python very easy because we have a predefined or built-in function numerous number of more. Next thing is that can anyone say what is the flexibility in Python?
We can easily identify errors.
Okay.
Like compared to other languages.
The thing is that for flexibility here, I mean, instead of Python can be implemented for easily can be used for backend processes.
Front end
As well as it can be easily implemented for backend processes. Moreover, the thing is that Python has been accepted in numerous number of countries.
Yes.
So, for example, implementing a shortened code or simple concept of Python is very useful, as well as for high level concept of Python is very implement. Okay, can we see about why we need a Python programming? Being an AML students, can you say why we need a Python
So
programming?
it saves time, sir.
Okay, how does your save time?
Also, we can implement in real world projects, live projects.
What can you say? Can you give an example?
For example, image forgery detection.
Okay.
We can input the photos and it will detect which is true or fake images.
In this, as my friend told, image forgery detection. In that, the model is mainly is made up of Python programming. The machine learning model is maximum. The machine learning concept is uses Python programming as its base, and we code in Python, so it is easier to understand, and it is making the code easier to understand.
Okay, that is, for example, when you take AI concept as well, we are going to take a ML concept. Python coding rules a major role in it. Okay, then can you see what is meant by maintenance in Python programming? How can you build the code, or how can you update the code in Python programming? Can anyone say about it? The thing is that when you have predefined function, in case you will be having numerous of code will be in the blocks. Once in case if you want to change code, we can able to change any one of the blocks in the program. We need not to change any all the blocks. We can able to change one of the blocks because one of blocks is being interrelated with one another. Okay. For example, you are going to have a Python programming for real time example. Can you see any on real time example? Day to day real time. For example, you are going to have a Python code for ATM. In that, if you have numerous sum option, you can the one of option is interlinked with one numerous sum option. In that case, there will be numerous sum of blocks. If you are able to change, you can able to change only one block, which can be implemented in numerous sum of blocks also. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Thank you.